What's the deal, man? It's your boy Coyote Mar back at it with another video. But y'all know, man, I told y'all in the last video, if you guys watched that one, if you haven't watched that one, be sure to go check that out before you watch this one. But as you guys see, man, we have a new box here, and what's in here is the K member. If you guys are wondering why I went with the K member, basically my hood doesn't close without it, so I'm gonna need this to drop it. I believe the K member drops it down that whole inch, so with it being dropped an inch, my hood will be able to close with the new Cobra Jet Manifold that I just got. But enough talking, let's go ahead and open the box up and see what it's looking like. So here goes the first look of the BMR K member for the 2020 Mustang GT. Looks kind of crazy, man. Now they did have the red version, they did have the black one, but we're gonna try to keep it low key. So basically we got a 2-hour drive tomorrow to go get this installed. Finally be able to drive my car, man. I'm so excited to put this on. Now I heard that you might lose some drivability with the K member. We're gonna see how everything is. Basically, I'm gonna let you guys know the feedback of how it drives after and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna catch you guys in just a minute. All right guys, so the K member is now on the car. They just basically need to put it back together, but basically they got the stock piece out. I'm gonna go take a closer look for you guys in just a second. But man, it is hot as hell out here. I had to drive the car 2 hours. Also did forget to mention, with the K member, man, we are gonna have to go get an alignment, so we won't be able to do any pulls right now, but hopefully I can get the alignment done today. If not, hopefully tomorrow. I might try to save that video out so I won't be stretching out the content by too much. The K member is installed. We're putting all the parts back together. As you guys see, man, we got the stock piece right here. Shit looks heavy, man, so you guys already know that this shit weighs a lot, way heavier looking compared to that K member. But I'm gonna catch you guys when the car is all done and continue from there. All right, man, as you guys can see, we finally got the hood to close. It's good and locked down now, so once we get the alignment, we will be all good to go do some pulls. We'll have the draggy times and everything posted on the channel soon. So man, like I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to go do so right now. Look at that carbon fiber roll, bro. It's going crazy right now. Sheesh. Got my boy Cam's cat pack in the back. Shit looking clean too. Make sure to go check him out at CamBam 392. Might go with that wide body kit. I'm not gonna say too much about that, but finally got the hood to close. Like I said, that K member drops it down so the Cobra Jet can fit under the hood. That was the main purpose of it, and we are shredding some weight, like I said. So man, good purchase with the K member for sure. All right, man. So the car is going in for the alignment. Sheesh. Car is looking so good, bro. Basically, man, if you guys are wondering, the last step I need to be able to do some full hard pulls for you guys and be able to get some Mexico content. Like I said, we just got the K member installed, and with the K member, if you guys don't know, we will need alignment after. So we're going in with the full 4-wheel alignment today. But sheesh, man, it's going to get crazy. I can't wait to give you guys some pulls and everything, give you guys a lot of Mexico racing, and I'll catch you guys when we get done. All right, guys, it's about time, man. We finally got the car aligned, so now we're all good to go. We got the hood closed, we got the alignment. All we need now is to go do some pulls, and hope you guys are enjoying the rest of the video. But it's about time to see what this new setup was about and if it was worth the money and everything. But sheesh, look at that little snack pack over there.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so we just now getting back from Mexico. As you guys see, man, we ran my boy Chris. If you guys haven't watched the channel yet, don't know who my boy Chris is, but basically, man, boat towing on the same setup that I was on before the Cobra Jet and the cams. I believe he is running the ported manifold, ported throttle body, headers, E85. He is an 8-speed. Of course, he has an intake too to go with that. Also, just want to remind you guys that this is on the base tune that I ran my guy Chris on. We didn't have the tune fully dialed in yet because, like I said, we needed the K member for the hood to close, and for the hood to close, we needed the K member. Now that we got everything situated, we can do some data logs, send them over to Lund, see what happens. Hopefully we can up our shift range, because I believe right now the car is shifting at 7,300 with the cams. I believe they can give me a little kill mode, man, with an 8,500 shift, man. That shit's gonna be crazy. For right now, I'm gonna stick with the 8,200 shifts when I'm just racing the car on a regular basis. I'm gonna have a lot more races coming for y'all too, man. This was just like a little basic race just to test out the car. Like I said, I run my boy Chris all the time, so this is a perfect example to see how the car did improve. And like I said, man, base tune. Once we get this tune loaded up, we will race him again, and that will be on his own video. Like you seen, man, we only ran the car 2 times. I did a couple pulls since I got the car back. We're finna do some data logging right now, but I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. And